Maximizer, the Thaggy style robot versus Caldera 12. This is a huge matchup, Luke.
Huge matchup. This Maximizer from Jake Hoffman is the #1 ranked 12-pounder in the field. And Caldera 12, built by Glen Boxel, who runs the #1 ranked Beetle weight, but he's still looking for success here in the 12-pounders. Now this is horizontal on horizontal action, and it looks like the weapon on Maximizer might be down. Yeah, I have not seen that weapon running on Maximizer. Caldera 12 racking up damage points.
Oh no. There are some parts flying off of what I believe to be Maximizer. I see a free wheel in the box as well. And that's, yeah, that's actually off of the right side drive of Maximizer. So down a weapon and down a wheel.
Wow, Glen Boxel looks like he is winning this fight with Caldera 12, slaying a massive opponent very early in the day.
With this wide shot, now I see that there is a free belt over on the far side of the cage. That's likely the reason why that weapon is not working on Maximizer. Or it could also be off of Caldera, who... Oh, wait, no. Caldera is spinning. There we see Glen, very happy.
Jake Hoffman putting down his transmitter. Glen Boxel is your winner, slaying the #1 ranked 12-pounder in the field. Glen is very happy about that.
Glen is a legend. Wow.
At the announcing desk with Thagamizer. Oh my goodness, with Maximizer. With Maximizer.
That's the right one.
I was thinking of Thagamizer style robots.
Can we set this up here while we talk to you about what happened in that match?
Can we hold it?
Well,
I want to hold it, Chris.
Well, yeah, hold it. I just want the camera to see if it can pull in a tight shot of, look at the front armor on Maximizer right now.
Caldera is nothing to play with. It is not the same bot that bought in January. It has improved so much. I cannot wait to see more from the Boxels. I mean, they have brought the performance of their 3-pounder to the 12, clearly.
Now, what happened in that fight, Jake?
Caldera is a tough opponent. That's what happened. I lost my belt pretty early. Got to investigate that problem. He took both of my wheels. No one's ever taken a wheel off this robot.
That's so crazy.
He took both in one fight.
Wow.
And I drove it like it was rented until I couldn't anymore and had no wheels.
Now, we missed, for those that were watching along on the live stream, we missed like the first 20 seconds, but it seems like a lot happened in that 20 seconds because by the time we joined, you weren't spinning. What happened?
I don't know yet. We got to go investigate that, but the belt came off. I think some debris got sucked into it or something, but we got to go investigate that, figure it out. We'll keep fighting. We're good.
Now,
we got 2 more.
How hard are the repairs that you're facing here?
TBD.
Okay.
It could be all day.
Yeah.
Could be.
Good luck, Jake. Can't wait to see it back in the box again. You've got one more chance to stay alive.
Yep, and I fight the loser of Grandeur and Project Liftoff, which will be, it's under JD right now.
Yeah, there you go. All right, thanks, Jake. Best of luck.
I don't want to fight either of those robots. So
have at it.
Thank you, guys.